Well, we would like to welcome you to Family Fun in the Kitchen. This is just a preview of what, if you participate in this program, what you can experience. My name is Charlie Godfrey. I'm the Cleveland County 4-H agent here in Cleveland County, and we are glad that you have considered participating in this program. And I'm going to let our Family Consumer Sciences agent, Nancy Ibasier-Khan, tell you a little more about this program.
Okay, thank you, Charlie. And we thank all of you for joining us this evening. We are excited about offering family fun in the kitchen. And this has been a virtual, which we hope at some point it will be face-to-face. But for right now, it's a virtual cooking class or time together for the whole family. And with what we prepare, we are able to eat it by the end of our 45 minutes or so together.
So we hope you guys will join us in the Extension kitchen here at the Extension office, either virtually or hopefully eventually in person, to participate in our family fun in the kitchen. Each month you can sign up, so you don't have to sign up for the whole program. It's every month. We offer whatever works for your schedule. It is the fourth Tuesday of the month at 6:30 p.m. So that's we try to hold it the same date each month.
Right.
And if it has to change for some reason, we'll let you guys know well in advance. But plan the fourth Tuesday at 6:30. Maybe your family can join us to making dinner together and have some fun in the kitchen.
Right, fun in the kitchen and then dinner around the table.
Exactly.
How better, much better can it get?
Exactly. We hope you guys will consider joining this program. Thank you.
Thank you.